Diwali is here and so are the offers on Flipkart, Amazon and Xiaomi. Hey, what's up guys, Himanshu here back with another video and let's talk about this Xiaomi Smart TV 43-inch model. So let's start. I was tempted to open the MiTV box, but there is a strict warning that only Xiaomi official or Xiaomi technician will open it. So I have spent the money for TV, but I can't open the box. As soon as I get the TV, I called Xiaomi center and they booked an appointment after 2 days. So I got this TV on 28th and they booked me an appointment for 31st. Bought this from Xiaomi's official website with this wall mounting bracket for 500 rupees extra. So overall I got this TV for 22,500. So in the box we get the TV legs which are made up of plastic, some instruction logs and warranty information, with a very sleek looking remote and the TV itself. So as soon as the technician opened the box and took out the TV from its box, I was pretty much excited about the TV because I don't think I have used a smart TV before with patch wall. I know that there are some pros and cons of patch wall OS over Android TV, but still I was excited. The technician mounted the TV very efficiently and overall he gave 5-star service. So the TV was mounted on the wall perfectly. Now the AAA batteries for the remote weren't in the package. So yeah, you have to buy it separately. Now I won't go through the setup. You have seen a lot of videos, unboxing videos and all of setup videos. I would say what I like about this TV and what I didn't like. So first thing, what I like about this TV is its design. I mean, it is plain and simple. The TV corners really come edge to edge. It is not perfectly, borderless, but yeah, it is good for the budget it is offering. So no issues in the bezel. It was good. Second, the number of ports. It has all the ports or all the latest ports which a TV should have. So HDMI, USB, cable, wire, everything. It has given everything. Third, the operating system. Now I have mixed feelings for this patchwall OS. It works smooth, no doubt. It was perfectly instant and it works as it should be. Perfectly smooth, no worries there. The overall layout was user friendly. It has all the categories, TV, movies, etc, originals, vera. So it is a good layout. But there is one problem. It doesn't support Google Play Store. So you have to sideload the apps. So you have to first download the APK file on your pen drive and then plug it into the TV and then install it. So after installing the APK in your pen drive, you have to just insert in your TV and install it from the install via USB option. So you can install GeoTV and YouTube and sideload most apps on your TV via this method. So there was no problem. I wasn't able to find the Bluetooth option. I don't think it has, but if you are a MiTV owner, let me know in the comments down below if it has Bluetooth in it. So yeah, apart from sideloading the apps, I have no issues with this TV in this budget of 22,000 rupees. I have no issues with the TV. Now the biggest thing which a TV must have is a good display. Well, I would say this TV won't disappoint you. The TV from the side angle is good enough to watch. There is very less color shifting, and overall the full HD plus display is very good. It is a LCD display, so it is a LED backlit LCD display. So the blacks aren't really black, but it is good. So in a smart TV, what you should consider is its fluidness, how it is working, the user interface is good or not, and if you can side load the apps, if you can load the apps from the Google Play Store, which I think the smart TV, that is Android TV 49-inch from Xiaomi has, which has that Google Play Store, and you can download the apps officially on that TV. So overall that was good. The Wi-Fi connection was good. It connected in no time, and there was Hotstar app in it, and you get Set Live and many more Indian TV web channels. So overall the whole experience of this TV was ultra good. So I don't think it has Bluetooth, So you can buy that transmitter receiver setup of Bluetooth connection. You can easily pair it with your existing speakers or your Bluetooth speakers. So yeah, I'm very happy, and in this Diwali sale you will be getting it for 1000 or 750 rupees less. So definitely buy it. It is very good. And if you are thinking about LG and Sony TVs and Samsung TVs which are way higher than this, for example, let's take an example of LG TV. The same LG TV 43 inch or 40 inch model smart TV is for 40,000 rupees. That's not a good deal. I mean, yeah, it is branded and there will be a slight difference in the performance, there will be a slight difference in the screen, but for the price of 40,000 rupees for the same screen, LG and Samsung TVs aren't worth it these days. So definitely consider this. I have given alternative to this Xiaomi TV. If you don't like Xiaomi, if you are anti Xiaomi, then you can buy TVs from VU, which is offering a great value for money. And you can consider TCL, you can consider Thomson. They are great TVs. I haven't seen them in person. I have seen a VU TV, I have seen TCL TV. They are amazing. I mean, if you compare it with Xiaomi, they are equal. Not very great, not that low. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I think I have rambled a lot. Sorry for that. But yeah, if you like the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to CreatorShed if you haven't. Press that bell icon after subscribing to the channel, and follow me on Instagram for all the latest deals. If you want to ask me which TV is better, which mobile phone is better, I will share that information with you in the Instagram DM. So yeah, follow me there, Himanshu Sharma YT. Do follow me there. I'm very active on that. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and talk to you in the next one.